First things first, my son graduated from Michigan State Police Academy and now is a Michigan State Trooper. So we're going to put a State Trooper sticker on the Frontier OS27. Maybe right there in the center, right underneath Todd's outside again. Right on. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we have a lot of work to do. And this is going to be over several videos. We've got about 3,000 board feet I have to mill up for a customer. All mostly oak, a couple maples like this. I think we have 2 maple sticks, but this is going to be turned into sticker material. It dries fast, and I'm going to get them stickered out. I do have 5 little logs on there that are about 8.5 to 9 feet long, and I have 30 more logs that are 18 and 19 foot long that are 20 inches, anywhere from 14 to 20 inches in diameter. So we got a lot of work to do. We're going to turn this into 1-inch stickers. I want a pallet of these. I'm going to have to get these all stickered up for this guy. This is going to be a nice little job we have here. But what is this child's play? 13 and a half, 14. Okay, 14-inch maple. This shouldn't take long. Well, it's stickers. It's a lot of little cuts. I'm looking for flitches. I do have a bunch of flitches. Maybe we'll stick right over there. So when we get these cut into boards, we'll grab the rest of the flitches and put them on as well. All right, let's get this started. As always, we have a stellite band on here. It does have 1 sharpening on it. I think I have maybe 5 or 6 logs through it. It's still pretty decent. It should be fine for this. I also use the Micron SW350 Pro setworks on this home motor sawmill, this Frontier sawmill. Keep in mind, this isn't a normal sawmill that comes from Frontier. This is not what you're going to get. You're going to get the bare bones like I originally got. I built this sawmill up to where it is today. Log turners, power feeds, Z-axis, water control, stuff like that. All right, here we go. I think we ended up with about 100 of these. I'm going to go get the chop saw, and we're going to cut these in half. These are 80 inches, so I'm going to cut them to 40 inches and pallet them up, let them dry for a week or two, and then start, as I cut this guy's lumber, we're going to sticker it. So let me go get the chop saw. All right, we got them all cut. I made a couple practice runs. We're cutting them at 40 inches approximately, and that puts me right about in half. And we're getting them stacked on a pallet. I'm doing it a little differently this time than I normally do. Usually I leave them full length. I stack them up, then I cut them off. And what a pain that becomes. They start turning. I saw Mike Morgan the other day on Outdoors with the Morgans. He had them all stacked up, stickered up real nice on a pallet. Now, if you've seen any of his stacked lumber, he takes his time stacking his lumber. But I'm going to try to do it similar to the way he did it. So we're going to cut these up. You saw me just run all those through. So now we're going to get them all stickered on here. That's a lot of work doing those stickers that way, but I like the results, and it's probably going to be worth it. But hopefully you like the content, guys, and you feel inclined to subscribe and leave a comment. If you really like the content, share it with a friend. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you at the mill next time. Beautiful day in West Michigan. Tomorrow's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.